Do you want to change your TikTok name on your iPhone or Android? If your answer is yes, here's the advanced guide on how to change your TikTok name with just one click. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything, you must know that you can only change your TikTok name every few days. And if you changed it already a few days ago, then you must wait 7 days. Now, to change your name, open TikTok app, tap on the profile. Here, you can see the edit profile option. Simply tap on it. After that, tap on your name and enter a new name and tap on save. After that, your TikTok name will be changed. So, this is the way you can change your TikTok profile name. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.